Today we are going to talk about another important compound which is called bleaching powder. You all must have heard about this. It is a very common compound and it is used very widely in domestic purposes as well as in industries. Bleaching powder is prepared by the action of chlorine on slaked lime. So chlorine and slaked lime gives bleaching powder. Perhaps you remember what slaked lime is. Slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder can be represented by the formula CaOCl2. However, this representation is not perfect because the actual composition of bleaching powder is much more complicated and you will learn that in higher classes. However, for the present, we will be representing bleaching powder by this formula. Now, the action of chlorine on slaked lime can be represented by this equation. CaOH plus chlorine gas gives CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, and water. Now this is already a balanced equation, so we don't need to do anything further. Now you have to understand that the chloralkali process, which we had discussed in the other video, gives us chlorine, and it is this chlorine that is again used to prepare bleaching powder. Now you know that the chloralkali process, we have NaCl as an ingredient of this process. This NaCl, which is a salt, is used to prepare chlorine gas, which again is used to prepare bleaching powder. Unless and until this sodium chloride is used, this bleaching powder cannot be prepared. Now, the uses of bleaching powder, there are many uses. The first use is, it is used in the purpose of bleaching. That is, it is used to bleach clothes, and it is used to bleach wood in paper industry, wood pulp actually, in paper industry. Bleaching powder is also used as an oxidizing agent. That is, it helps us to supply oxygen to any given compound. This oxidizing agent in the form of bleaching powder is heavily used in chemical industries. There is another very wide use of bleaching powder, and that is a domestic use, and that is, bleaching powder is widely used for purification of water. We use bleaching powder in our tanks, in our wells, or other places where water is stored. This is a very common use. Besides, bleaching powder is also used in places where there is lots of garbage, because bleaching powder releases chlorine gas, which helps to kill bacteria and germs that is present in the garbage. So these are the different uses of bleaching powder, and this is the way in which bleaching powder is prepared. So we'll take a break and we'll come back to see some other important compounds, namely washing soda and also perhaps baking soda.